Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snorkeling fins that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Finis long floating snorkeling fins. This first product on our list is versatile as they come and fashioned out of rubber that is as soft and natural as they come solely for the comfort of its user. Be rest assured that whether you are young, old, or somewhere in the middle, the Finis long floating fins are the best option. In addition to that, you do not have to be an expert to make use of this viable product. No matter your level of experience, this is definitely the set of snorkeling fins for you. It comes with a long rubber blade which is useful when it comes to enhancing the user's buoyancy to the maximum as well as providing the proportionate momentum to push any swimmer forward. Not only does it help with the swimming motions as a whole, but this piece of snorkeling equipment also enables its users to swim with the correct posture. They are able to lift the legs to the surface of the water, thereby reducing drag and improving the overall body alignment of the swimmer. As a result of all its great qualities, the general feedback from the fins educates the swimmer on how to lengthen their kicks by starting from the hips and not the knees, as this is a common mistake when it comes to swimming in any setting. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wildhorn Topside snorkeling fins. This next snorkeling equipment is truly made for the comfort of its users. Gone are the days when snorkeling was characterized by foot blisters or tedious heel straps that caused slipping or any equipment-induced clumsiness in general. These snorkeling fins will make anyone believe that they are an extension of their feet as a whole. This new and improved version of Wildhorn Topside snorkel fins are everything the wanderlust-infected snorkeler signed up for. They come in a cute compact size which makes for easy mobility. They are adjustable while providing all the support needed, and need we mention how comfortable they are as a whole. Do not mistake the comfort they offer for weakness, as they are as durable as snorkeling fins come. Fashioned out of a highly durable high-grade polymer blend base, this product can stand the test of time and do it while giving your feet the gentlest of hugs. In addition to providing maximum comfort, this product is also as versatile as they come. You do not have to come with a separate pair of snorkeling fins and swim shoes, as it doubles as both. The added advantage is that you can say goodbye to the whole one-size situation its predecessor had going on. This new and improved version is as adjustable as can be, and the cherry on the top is that it can be used for other surface water activities such as bodyboarding, river tubing, among many others. All in all, these are a great pair of snorkeling fins that offer 3 different colors: sharkskin electric, pearl aqua and manta ray. So get into your swimming trunks and start your underwater adventure. At number 3, we have the Seavenger Torpedo swim fins, flippers with gear bag. Not only do the manufacturers of the Seavenger Torpedo swim fins, flippers deserve props for its dramatic and amazing name, but this product as a whole is considered one of the best snorkeling fins on the market today. It is not only comfortable but boasts of being as flexible as they come. The fact that it can be used for snorkeling as well as bodyboarding, diving, training, among other surface water activities corroborates the latter point. They are not only versatile when it comes to water-related activities, but they also come in a wide array of sizes. In order to make them more size-friendly, this particular piece of snorkeling equipment comes with adjustable straps which additionally make for easy donning and removal of the fins as a whole. The cherry on the top is that they come in different stylish colors to suit the taste of users as a whole. Back on the issue of comfort, it is quite easy to store and carry around. For the convenience of the user, the fins come with a fast-drying mesh bag, fitted with a drawstring which makes for easy storage and mobility as a whole. In addition, these snorkeling fins feature an open heel design which can be worn both barefooted or with fin socks in case you literally have cold feet. To crown it all up, this product is made with lightweight materials that are durable, comfortable, and safe. Thus you can be sure that your feet are in good hands while indulging in all manners of water sports. At number 2, we have the US Divers Trek Fin. The US Divers Trek Fin is as comfortable as it is politically correct. This brand prides itself in not only being hip and fun but it also for being environmentally conscious, having made a strong claim to be committed to our oceans. So, as much as this is a fun product, it also is environmentally friendly as possible. All the snorkeling equipment produced by the US divers is made in such a way that it makes for healthier oceans and environmental discoveries as a whole. Through rigorous and consistent testing, the US divers' Trek fin has become one of the leading diving gears for the safety and enjoyment of its users as a whole. This testing takes a time period so as to keep the users of this stellar product on their toes for new advancements as well as keeping them up to date with the latest products in the snorkeling world. And finally at number 1, we have the Cressi Pluma Adult Snorkeling Full Foot Pocket Fins. The new and improved version of the Cressi Pluma Adult Snorkeling Full Foot Pocket Fins builds on the technology that was previously used on the Cressi high-tech models, which were designed mainly for free diving as well as scuba diving. With the same mechanisms used in the Cressi patented construction system, these fins deliver on the highest level while being as light as can be, and above all they are comfortable. The blade itself is fashioned using a light yet reactive material known as polypropylene, which makes it flexible and as versatile as possible. The foot pocket of this stellar product goes all the way down to the bottom of the blade itself, thus providing maximum protection during all water-related activities, whether in deep or shallow waters and near rocks. This legendary foot pocket fins are made out of a soft thermo rubber coupled with a computer-generated shape that was fashioned for maximum comfort and overall durability. Last but certainly not least, the sole of this high-tech product is tough and durable and is accompanied by a pair of large non-slip foot inserts which offer the ultimate form of protection as well as aids in the overall transmission of the legs with little effort. The Cressi Pluma Adult Snorkeling Full Foot Pocket Fins is more than suitable for snorkeling as well as other surface water activities and swimming as a whole. Be rest assured that with these fins you cannot go wrong.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.